Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how to use GradeTransferer's scaling feature. Let's get started. GradeTransfer allows you to apply linear scaling to all of your grabbed data as you transfer between any of our supported gradebooks. Whether you want to change the weight of an assignment to be worth more or less, or convert between a percent and raw points, we've got you covered between any of these platforms. The first step is to grab your scores. And then after grabbing, we're going to open back up GradeTransfer and expand it by clicking this hamburger button and find the scaling area. So here we're going to indicate how we want the information scaled. In the first box, we're going to put the current weight of the assignment. For me, I was grabbing a percent, so I'm going to put 100, but if you were grabbing a 40-point test, you would put a 40. And then in the next box, we're going to put the amount we would like to scale it to. I'm going to scale my assignment to be a 20-point quiz, but if you're converting from raw points to a percent, you could put 100, you can scale up or down, it doesn't matter. When you're ready, toggle the Now button, and you will get an example of how the information is going to be scaled. If this looks good to you, click OK. And then voila, your data is scaled instantly, and you have a summary that is showing you the new information you are holding on to for transfer. It's important to note that the scaled data is automatically rounded to the hundredths place. So if you want the information rounded further, you can use GradeTransferer's rounding feature. And if you want to turn the notifications off that give you those scaling examples and confirmations, you can do that under GradeTransferer's advanced settings, right here under the alert preferences. And then the last thing I want to point out is that if you have cases where you need nonlinear scaling, you can set up custom mapping rules with the score converter. So make sure to check out those features too. If this video helped you, share it with a fellow teacher so they can save time and avoid typos too. That's all for now. Happy transferring.